So you know, the memory of my camera was full. That's why we stopped. But again, I will remind you that you must be familiar with this kind of technology: pulse width modulation, PWM, TDM, time division multiplex, and FDM, frequency division multiplex. A very complicated circuit to design that. It's a need a team of R&D expert in communication, especially in satellite and microwave. So it's not a cheap design. You cannot get a good result if you're only the one. Even me, I'm a good long time experience with satellite and microwave, but I need somebody working with me. But before I forget, this tester was 1000, and I forgot to measure the output. I mean, on this side, the output of 313 volts here on this side. So this is the filter. So I must measure the voltage here going to the capacitor. So, and we are on the range of 1000. So it's a little bit charged, so I will just want to show you that this is really a 313 volts.
Ay, mainit ako ng lolo mo. Sabi sa akin, ganyan.
So, this is 1000 range, and this is here, this is 200, this is 400, 600, 800, 1000. Maybe I will use a digital meter to prove you that this is really a 313 volts. Now that's the 313 volts DC. So I'm measuring here on this side, 313 volts. Okay, we need to switch it off. I want to remove, and then I explain now. I think I need to remove my setup. So I think, yeah, here we can remove this, so I can explain you some details I need to explain. Remove this battery, just clean it up. Anyway, before I do that, don't forget, here some people claiming that maybe I have some magnet inside. Here, look, this is a compass. There is a magnet. I have a small magnet here. Look, this is a very weak magnet, a ferrite magnet. Look what happened. So it's a very frantic, or I mean, there is a magnet, you can see moving. So here, I'll check here. There is a magnet. No much. So there's no magnet embedded inside. You cannot see any magnetic flux here. Steady. Even here. Okay. Now here I will explain again. So I'll do the right. This is what Here. So this is our. We will divide it. We will divide this into 3 parts. So this is the first, second, and this is the third. So this is our charge to the capacitor, 2 cup. Second is, this is the sequence of events in one cycle. One cycle. So here, the second is discharge to load. Third is loop charge battery. So this is the sequence of events. But every time you charge the capacitor, so we'll put another graph here. There is a harmonics created on this. This is 0 and this is a power. Since we charge it to capacitor 1000 volts. Here we charge 500 volts. 500 volts. All involved is capacitors, either discharge or charge. Now here, this is the harmonics created from that charge to capacitor. So that's only one harmonics. So another harmonics, this one, and another harmonics, that one. That's the ideal harmonics in one cycle. If this is 1 second, that's it. That's the ideal harmonics on individual. This is not, there is no overlapping here. But if we are talking about 100 kilohertz or 10 kilohertz, you're 1, 2, 3. So the different story, because don't forget, every time there is a charge here, they create harmonics up to 30 to 40 harmonics frequency. So it means I will draw another one. So here, this will become like this. And overlapping here, and another one as well here. And overlapping here, so, and so forth, and then it will go more higher. So it's cancellation. So the ideal one will be the harmonics here not must go here. That's why you need a very good experience on these 3 technology, including expert on RFI, radio frequency interference, RFI, radio frequency interference filtering. Circuit design. People who is expert on this kind of technology, the people who design, mostly the one used for military grade, like missile, you know, if you have an electronic missile is a electronics triggering signal. It's so the people doing that very high level of, they're really a top-notch designer of regarding RFI. Or else if you have missile and you don't have a good RFI filtering design, circuit design, maybe you will send the missile prematurely. And since this is a wireless command control, So you can find somebody who's really trained on that. Many was a semiconductor. I'm lucky to have that one. There are actually first one and then now three. There's three groups now, but our relation is something like a classified relation. It's not an open. I cannot tell you what company, who is this, because they have special contract with the semiconductor. And the two of these here in the Philippines, the three is outside the Philippines. But I know them for a long time. They're working with me, helping me. But at the same time, they're really very costly people, very, very expensive people. One person is here in the Philippines getting salary of $80,000, so it means something like 2,000 85,000 pesos a month, and so they're something like $2,000. And sometimes you need a team. It's not only one. Designing software and hardware. So this is what happened really. Although some designers and engineers, inventors, getting really a free energy, but the harmonics is really hard to arrest. You must have an ideal. You know, this is the time the division multiplex and the frequency division multiplex and the PWM. You must quite well about this. For me, you need the special equipment, a very sensitive, high grade, military grade or industrial grade test instrument to check all of that. Even me, I'm not expert on that, so I give it to the expert. That's why you can see my shop is just like a garage. It's just like a junk shop. I don't have instrument there. I don't want to invest instrument there. So what I have done, I make some contract with the semiconductor group to build me this kind of thing, you know. And now, based from this reading, so I can make now a MEG. You know, this is MEG. I can make now MEG without a generator, without moving parts. It's motionless electronic generator, but it's still a long way to go, and it's still a lot of money to be burned because of that, you know, very costly engineer. And you know, from time to time I need to adjust, especially this kind of requirement. So, but it can be done. It's doable, but takes a long time. It needs a very patient and cool mind to reach to attain the 100% a MEG. And this MEG, this is the technology to go. This is the best because it's no moving parts. It's durable once you hit the right tune up, and it's not expensive. Very cool. Everybody, my target on MEG is a 5 kilowatt. A 5 kilowatt genset. Until now we are doing that, and still, but not really easy. It's not really easy. So you need a lot of money and patience. We're still ongoing on that, especially the semiconductor people who's working with me. So anyway, so I hope this helped you to understand what I'm doing. And it's really true that you can get power from the ambient. There's no doubt. Like what I have done in my 11 kilowatt motor, I achieved the normal is 46%, but I reach 136%, but at low power. We are only traveling 15 kilometers per hour, but now I have, and there is a problem. If I increase the power, this is what happened. It's oscillating and colliding with each other. That makes my coil overheating. But now we solved the overheating, so slowly we can go from 15 kilometers. Now we can go to 50 kilometers. We are finishing that within 2 weeks. We have a new design of electric car. They can run more than 50 kilometers. We are still almost 90% now completed. So that's all. And if there is more question, I think it will be minimized. The reason why I made this video is to minimize the email I'm receiving every day. A lot of inquiry, and some I need to delete it. Almost you have no more time to answer, to read all of this. Sometimes accidentally, I'm erasing some of my important email I received. So I was forced to do this kind of presentation to minimize the inquiry. So also, I'm doing now a repelling force. This is not MEG, it's a repelling force base genset. Again, it's 5 kilowatt. These two is the same, but the best is here, because this is once we hit the right, once we hit the right tune-up, once we have enough funding, because my funding is not much like other laboratory R&D, but once we have this will cost my estimate, the cost is in dollar is to finish this 5 kilowatt, something like $10,000, 5 kilowatt. But this one will cost only less than maximum, let's say maybe $1,500 only to build this. But still a long way to go, because we are figuring out the parts, the software, the hardware, the RFID. We're still working on that. But I hope, but we need to finish this one within 2 months. I think we can finish this repelling force. My repelling force is a 350% efficiency, but the cost is more. The investment is something like $10,000. But really, I'm dreaming. I'm really working very hard, non-stop to develop, because this one, maybe I can produce, let's say in a mass production, I can produce this repelling force genset 5 kilowatt, maybe 100 units a day. But this one I can make 1 million units a day, because everything is electronic. Just this one transformer, it can be mass produced in a very quick way. So that's why I'm dreaming to end up this thing. And this will be the household equipment, in every household. This is a very good wattage that everybody can afford, because it's just only $1,500, 5 kilowatt. So we pray, hope. I need more support, because daily we are burning dollar here by the thousand, producing this one. At the same time, we are non-stopping R&D on this MEG. So thank you very much, and this is what I have, and this is my demo unit. And again, don't forget to always visit this YK, all the detail I keep updating them. And then this we can join here in ebgray@yahoo.com. He's my friend there, Douglas Conhead, the moderator. He's a really good man. He's the one who helped me this one to find this free energy, especially the back EMF, the shorting, and Kelinet. From some time, you must support all of this. And this one as well, Panacea, the Sboka, the Aswet Pahalis, Nihilistics, the one in charge of this. This is Douglas Conhead. This is Jerick Decker, Peswadki, Goodman, Sterling Allen. Over Unity, moderator is Sterling Hart-Berling. Stefan Hart-Berling. So that's all now, and then good luck to everybody. I hope you have the idea now what I'm doing and what I'm getting, and thank you for now. Bye.